Very good morning and welcome to Christ King online classes. Students and dear parents, there is a lot of confusion among the students, even among the parents. I got many phone calls, even WhatsApp messages regarding how the classes will be, what we have to do. So, to remove all these problems or confusions, I will give a brief introduction how the classes will be and how the students should prepare for that. Because you are knowing COVID-19, no one knows when it will end, when it will vanish from the country or the whole world. So this is inevitable. We have to go for the online classes so that we will not suffer at the end. If the classes starts by September or even later than that, if it is started during July or August, it will be well and good. Otherwise, definitely the students will suffer at the end. The teachers have to rush through the syllabus. Then ultimately the students will land in trouble. So I will tell you all what are the requirements that are to be done. First, all the students should be there in the WhatsApp, and the student should give WhatsApp number to us so that we will include and we will form a group, separate group for boys and girls, so that the students can send the assignments to us, we can evaluate, and we will come to know how the students have done, whether they have gone through the classes or not. And remember, we will give the schedule of the classes through the group, and as per that you have to get prepared. The students should get prepared to make out the classes, and they should prepare the notes and all those things that will be there. So as far as accountancy is concerned, the students should maintain a new notebook of 200 pages, because already we have covered almost 25 to 30% of the syllabus. Two chapters, that is issue of shares and issue and redemption of debentures. Some part is pending in redemption of debentures, that will be taken up later. Now I am going to take up part 1. In that there is a partnership accounts, because in part 1 75 to 80% is only partnership. Only one extra chapter is there, that is not for profit organization, first chapter, that I will skip now. I will take up partnership, because and all the 4 other chapters are related to that, and all the 4 chapters are related to partnership. First there will be partnership fundamentals, then admission of a partner, retirement and death of a partner, dissolution of partnership firm. So for that reason, maintain a separate 200 pages notebook. Then I have already supplied question bank to the students. So all the students must get it Xerox. It's already, I told you to keep it ready when regular classes were there. And if it is not there also, what I will do is, I will put a scanned copy of the problem that I am going to solve in the question from the question bank, and that should be kept ready by the students while attending the classes, because I will just mention the page number and the question number of the question bank, and straight away I will solve the problem. I will not dictate the problem here, it is a waste of our time. So you just make a note of it, write the question number and page number, and then solve the problem. Then textbook, I have a textbook here. This is the latest version of textbook accountancy. You can just see this textbook. This is the latest version. If it is not there, also no problem for a time being. Search in the market. If it is available, fine. Otherwise, also makes no difference. And is the back page. See here. This is NCERT. So this is the preferable book. Remember. And here it is printed by the Department of Pre-University Education Board. So this book is preferred. This is the latest one. If you get old textbooks, some part may not be there. So you should make sure of these things. Then after each session, we'll give one or two small questions. All the students must attempt those questions. In all the subjects I am speaking, we are going to take up the core subject classes only for the time being. Online classes will be only for core subjects, not for languages. Languages will be taken up later. So we will give, after each session, we will give two questions, one or two questions, small questions. All the students should write answer for those questions and they should submit through WhatsApp group. But remember, don't send it to WhatsApp group, send it through WhatsApp to me personally, not in the group, because it may create problems again. So, I will give you a particular time to submit, and by that time, everyone should submit the answers. Assignment should be submitted because it will be recorded and it will be entered in the progress report. Then, any queries, you can call me at any time. My number will be my number remains open for 24 hours. At any time you can call. No problem for that. And even you can send messages through WhatsApp to me personally, not through the group. Remember. And attendance will be counted. That is, whether you have gone through the classes or not, that will be accounted for. So make sure all of you 100% attendance is required because these classes will not be repeated again in the class. So you should make sure any doubts, anytime you can send messages, you can call me directly and get it clarified, not even to me, to the concerned teachers, subject teachers. You can call or you can send messages and get clarified. And remember, everything should be perfect, and if it is not possible, we will give the scheduled timing of releasing this online class, but it is recorded, that will be there in your WhatsApp group, so you can go through it even maybe half an hour later or 1 hour later, no problem, it makes no difference, but you must go to the classes and you must submit the assignments. And attendance must be 100%. That is the only concern. And hope, I think everything is clear now. And we will create groups and we will call those students whose numbers are not there in the WhatsApp group. And they have to give their WhatsApp numbers. And so that everyone will get the information and we can make this successful one.